SMC is the world's largest manufacturer of pneumatic components, like pneumatic cylinders, actuators, regulators, and valves.
Anytime you're in a factory and you see something move, chances are there's an SMC product or something similar to that behind the scenes. We basically are the products that make those things move.
We've developed a website where our customers will go in there and select the options that they want, whether it's a magnet on a cylinder or a reverse flow on a regulator component. They go through and build the part number that they want and download the file right for them. It's already configured. They drop it into their assembly or whatever CAD package they have, and there's their model.
A lot of our customers are going to 3D design, so just being able to offer that as an option, like Brandon said, that they can just take and plug directly into their design. It just allows us to collaborate with them on a much higher level.
SOLIDWORKS gives us the ability to visualize something in a 3D space and see where their interference is, to see where that is, to actually measure cross drills to get minimum wall thicknesses. It's really hard to see that in a 2D realm.
Yeah, and the beauty of SOLIDWORKS too is there's a lot of reusable data there. So you're not constantly redesigning the same thing over and over. You're able to take a lot of these standard components and plug those right in, modify them as needed, and just move forward with the design. It's just a huge time saver.
The biggest benefit to a 3D design, the dynamic updates of drawings, of geometry that was hidden that is now visible. We've got roughly 100 engineers that use it from various backgrounds.
And really the learning curve going from, say, an AutoCAD to SOLIDWORKS or coming from the 2D environment is really not as steep as a lot of people would think. SOLIDWORKS really does open you up to a whole different world of being able to visualize things and to be able to share that data with your customer in a language that they can understand.
Within SOLIDWORKS, you can actually see it. It makes it so much easier to design something. But if you're not in the 3D realm, I don't know how you're doing it.